Hey YouTube, Jake Kilroy here for a little Shop ADHD 22. We got a little fly cutter update. We got some new tooling purchases. We've got an update on the cat's name suggestion slash contest slash, whatever you want to call it. So let's get right with it. First thing we're going to tackle is the cat's name. Okay, in the last video, I introduced you to the new cat. We had a little bit of a kind of a name gathering contest. Come here, cat. Okay, here's the cat. Got a lot of great names. Thank you to everyone that suggested names. Some great names, some funny names. Some black cats, again, Midnight, Ebony, those kind of names. We got a lot of machinist, Rivet, to kind of go with the lathe. Chips, Swarf, Tool Bit. I liked Tool Bit. Tool Bit was pretty good. Rather lengthy discussion on who climbed Mount Everest first. Some guy from England or his Sherpa, right? So anyway, but the name that really got my attention was Tailstock. So the cat's name is Tailstock. Oh. My daughter and my wife very much objected to having a name that did not imply gender. Haven't they heard of Bruce Jenner, right? I mean, how do we know what this cat identifies as the cat's authentic self? What's your authentic self, baby? Are you a female cat or a male cat? Or are you a dog? Are you a male dog or a female dog? Oh, it doesn't matter. So, Tailstock it is. And then when my baby, my daughter, and my wife are around, it's Rosie. Okay. Rosie the Rivet. Nice play there. Go chew on something other than me, please. All right. Next thing we're going to tackle is the fly cutter update. Got a clip on that. Quick update. Last video we did some work on aluminum with the fly cutter. And the folks at Suburban Tool, top-notch people here, were nice enough to leave me a video and suggest that I try aluminum, well, any material. They suggest that you use their fly cutter without coolant. Okay, because it may encourage the chip to stick to the insert and cause a recut scenario. So I did. Without changing anything, I went and recut. I tried a few different feed rates, and they're right. You get a better finish without the coolant. If you feed too slow, if you're not taking a fast enough cut, you'll start to get a little fuzz. You'll start to get a little, you can't really see it, but you can feel it, right? You've got to use the radius on the tool bit, of the insert. I think the insert in this case is a 433. You've got to use the radius, which means your depth of cut and your feed. Obviously your feed needs to be less than your radius, but you need to you need to use your radius that's on the tool, on the insert, to get a good smooth finish. You got to play with it. This is about 3.5 inches a minute, and it worked great. steel coming up in with the fly cutter. And some tooling purchases. Got a clip on some stuff that we brought into the shop. Right off the bat, I don't have my knife. Got this, being one of those weird people that still uses a horizontal mill on a regular basis, I'm always looking for good deals on horizontal cutters. And this is a good deal. There's a Moon 6-inch 11/16 staggered tooth, brand new old stock, no doubt. I don't think Moon cutter's been around for quite some time. 20-something bucks, right? So the deals are out there, you just have to look for them. That's a good deal. What else? Picked up a set of 4 edge finders. There's a combo with a point and a barrel, small barrel 200, small point and barrel, and a big 1/2 inch. You really have to treat edge finders like consumables, because the springs don't last forever, right? You got to pay attention. You got a good edge finder you like, and you like using it, and you're used to using it, and you really got that touch with it, great. But pay attention, because eventually that spring's going to wear out, and you're going to start to wonk out your edge finding ability. So, you know, every now and then, that's a good deal. I think I got all 4 of these for $9, so pretty good deal. Another deal here, another decent purchase, is a couple of shorty V-blocks, 4-way V-blocks. Let me find a knife. Alrighty. What I got was some shorty V-blocks for use in the Kurt. If you're holding some round stock vertically, these little blocks right here are shorter than the vice jaws. So I got 2 of them. Serious bargain. These aren't, you know, Taft Pierce, but for the purpose, they will do just fine. And last, and totally worthless to me, but a hell of a bargain. This, you know, you got a problem when you buy things you can't even use, just because it's a good deal. What I got here is, I got 6 original multi-fix, Swiss multi-fix tool holders. It's made in Switzerland right there. Type AD. Still in the packing grease. I don't have a multi-fix tool holder. So, but everybody knows what the multi-fix stuff goes for. Big bucks. I got 6 of them here, all the same. Anybody has an A size multi-fix, which is the small size, not the tiny size, the small size, similar in size to a BXA Aloris Dorian style post. If anybody has A-sized multi-fix tool post make me an offer, and we'll see what happens. I can't use them, so I want to turn them. Turn's the appropriate term for make a little something on them, because I got a really good deal. I think I paid, I'm not even going to tell you, it was cheap. It was really cheap. So cheap that I thought about just finding an A-size multi-fix tool post. All right, that pretty much catches everybody up between this video and the post Bar Z Summer Bash video. That kind of catches you up on what's going on in the shop. Apologize for not getting out more content. Been just really busy with work, and you know how it goes. Anyway, we got a fun little project coming up. We're gonna build a magnum-sized pocket drill jig, and you're gonna want to stick around for that. That's gonna be a fun little project. So be safe in the shop, and I'll see you soon.